remember to stay hydrated. And today we're gonna be unboxing a special package from Tactile Knife Co. and Tactile Turn. I've been super hyped to see what's inside this package. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon and I hope you're having a good day. This is going to be an extremely fast video. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be unboxing the special package, which should be holding the brand new ULTEM Tactile Turn pen as well as the Tactile Knife Co. Bear. Let's go ahead and dive right into it and kind of give you guys my genuine first impressions. So inside the package is another priority mail box. This seems pretty important if they put a box inside an envelope, so that's pretty nice. I never handled anything with ULTEM before, so let's check this out. Sweet, so we got a bunch of bubble wrap as well as the order sheet. And as I'm opening this up, I am seeing a couple different stickers here. We've got a couple ULTEM beads. That's gonna be really cool to add onto any of my knives or pouches. I guess we'll take a look at the pen first because I am very excited for this. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely stunning. Again, guys, this is the first time I've ever handled anything that is ULTEM, and this is gonna pop out in photos so well. To kind of give you a quick example, when you go to turn on like a flashlight, this is a transparent material. So it's gonna be really cool to just get pictures of this thing. Wow, this thing is phenomenal. I believe these are gonna be releasing next week on June 28th as a set. So here's a close-up of the pen. It just looks amazing. The really surprising thing about this pen specifically is it's super lightweight. I own several other Tactile Turn pens, and this is by far the lightest one. If I were to guess, this is at least half the weight of like your standard titanium, brass, or other versions. Now let's go ahead and unbox this new ULTEM Bear. It does come with a COE or Certificate of Authenticity. It says that it's the Bear ULTEM. You've got a Magna Cut blade. The hardness rating is there, and then as well as the person who assembled it and the date of birth. Okay, let's take a look at the knife. Oh my goodness. So there it is. Let's go ahead and pull this out. There's a matching ULTEM bead already applied to the bear. And this is just stunning. My goodness. Of course, it does have, again, the Magna Cut blade. My original bear is pretty decent, but I think I'm gonna carry this one around a lot more often. Just check out that overall transparent aesthetic. ULTEM is supposed to be a very strong, robust material. It's a material that's completely different than anything else on the market. If I were to compare it to anything else on the market, it would feel similar to G10. And I guess the most transparent material next to this one would be like JG10. But so far, my first impressions, this is going to be a lot more transparent than the JG10. It just looks so good on camera. It's extremely lightweight. I would probably guess that this is going to be quite a bit lighter than the original bear as well. And then I just love the aesthetic touch with that ULTEM bead that they included with this bear. So first impressions with this set, these are phenomenal. They look aesthetically appealing. They're super lightweight and they do feel very durable. Again, this set will be releasing really soon here, and then expect to see a lot more photos of these on my Instagram page. Like I said, I was gonna keep this video super short. I can definitely recommend the bear. I know I haven't done a full review on this yet, but that will be coming soon because it's one of the best slip joints in my collection. Let me know in the comments if you guys plan on picking up this set. I don't know the exact prices, so go follow Tactile Knife and Tactile Turn on Instagram. I'll be leaving their social links in the description below as well. Aside from that, thank you for tuning in on this quick short video, and then I guess I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.